Hi everyone, welcome back to Python Code Nemesis. So, in the previous video, we reached till how we can create a build folder with npx run build from your local React file and just simply drag and drop it into Netlify to have it hosted online. So you can also add a custom domain, you can put your site online, people can access it. So that's really cool. And you can also have a few demos here, which are very simple. So I just dragged and dropped my this build folder that I had. I just directly dragged and dropped it into here, which took me to this. So this is one version of it. If we just go to this. So once you drag and drop it, you'll be able to see this screen. If we give you some random URL, I renamed mine. So if you just explore this page, you'll have like a bunch of things that you can do with it. I went to site configuration and you can change the site name from here and you can enter and save it. You can also transfer the site. You have like a bunch of different accessibility stuff that you can set. There's also build and deploy where you can also link a GitHub repository. So every time you push to this GitHub repository, the code for this web app will get updated. That's something that we'll be doing in a later video. This was just dragging and dropping that static site into this URL to get it hosted in the simplest way possible. So yeah, and there's like a bunch of different sections that you can explore to be looking at it. That was it for this video. It's a very short video, just concluding the part 2 of the previous video, which was hosting a React app in literally seconds by dragging and dropping the build folder into the URL. In the next video, we'll be using a new platform called Test Sigma to test the new website that we created, which is this one. So we have this website, right, which we have created, and there's like a different version of it. So when we change um websites, right, what happens? There's like a bunch of tests that start failing. So something that existed, maybe you just put a little page between it, or you added something, you removed something from that page, and adding a hyperlink to it. So in the next video, we'll have two sites, which is one with this total price in it and one without it. So that's what we'll see, that how Test Sigma's reports help you with understanding how adding or removing a particular feature can affect your already written tests and coverage. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe and keep following for more such Python content. Thank you. Happy coding.